Page 16, while shepherds watched, or watched their flocks by night. Common time, or 4/4 time, 1 flat, we're still in the key of F major. Make sure you can do this scale, the F major scale, at least 1 octave up and down. Let's take it one hand at a time, make sure we got the rhythms and the fingering and all that. In the right hand, you're coming in on beat 4. It's pickup beat. 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Don't forget the B flat, it's in the key signature. Now, second line, we have 2 voices. I would suggest, I'd like to connect the half notes together. Well, in that case, I got to use second finger on that first one. Just ring here. If you can, I recommend you do that. And then a rest, go on. And now, here, third line, go ahead and use thumb here. Connect this. And then you can cross over 3. And 4 or 5, either one. I mean, I find I'm in this position, I just stay here. I'll use 5th finger on that A. Right hand, left hand. That was the right. This is the left. Right, left. Oh, let's just switch this here. Here. Again, you got 2 voices. You got a whole note, you're going to hold it down. 1 and 2. I recommend a 4 on here, as this is the second line, first measure here. 4 on the G. Connect it. Rest. Rest. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Cross the thumb under. Rest. Now, if you can, do a 5/2 here. This is the last 2 measures here, and then you can cross, slide down if you want. Put the hands together. Again, we're just trying to get them to work together. We'll work out the hesitations out later. Just here, here. And remember, hold the whole note down. And that's the second line, second measure. As I play the C, the right hand comes up. Go through it, whatever your speed is, and just work it out to get the hands to play the right notes at the right time, and then you can go back and get rid of the hesitations and speed it up a little. Not fast, this is not a fast piece. Then put in the phrasing in the right hand. The left hand, try to connect it as best you can, except for the rest. We want to connect. Here, you got a phrase at the end of the first line. The left hand connect it. See, here, but not here. I want to connect as best I can. And here, the top. Put in the phrasing in the right hand, then the dynamics, apply the melody. Whatever you think moderately soft is, everything else is very soft. I tend to get a little louder now, but the whole thing is on the gentle side. It's like putting somebody to sleep. Okay. I tend to get a little louder and softer. You get to know the piece, you feel these dynamics. It's called interpreting the music. Speed-wise, it's a very gentle piece. So whatever you think the speed, but it's not fast or slow. It's on the slow side of the middle range, I should say, I guess. They have a DC there at the end of the last line, but they don't have the thin and thick bar line like they're supposed to. But it simply means you go back to the beginning because there's more verses to sing. So you do those if you want. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We're not trying to perform it. Just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. Yeah, we do. 1, ready, go. 1 and 2. 2, rest.